I don't speak extempore like Danish, so I've written a small thing which I'll talk about. It's a proud moment for us today to be present here at the exclusive premiere of Behad, a show that showcases the charisma and brilliance of Jennifer Winget, the actor in a highly demanding, dynamic, and challenging role, executed by her with superb depth and maturity. Brings to the fore the brilliance, exuberance, and the star power of Kushal Tandon, who excels in his performance as Arjun, complemented equally well by Aneri Vajani playing Sanj. Mahashweta and Megha from Sony. Also a special mention for Rahib Siddiqui, who set up the show. Finally, hats off to the one man who believed in the show and who's truly responsible for Behad seeing the light of the day. Truly the commander of the ship, Mr. Danish Khan. We owe Behad to him and we promise to deliver to his satisfaction. Thank you.
This is so cool. So before we get into the one-on-ones, what we'll do is photo opportunity, of course, मिलने वाली है. बहुत सारी आपको पूरा मौका मिलने वाला है. Awesome, brilliant. Kushal, very stylish, very intense. Just starting off with you. मुझे एक बात बताएं, बेहद. It's a word which says a lot. What आपकी जिंदगी कभी बेहद प्यार हुआ है या फिर?
बेहद बहुत कुछ हुआ है. So basically, extreme of anything is bad. अगर आप ज़्यादा खाएंगे तो आप मोटे हो जाएंगे. ज़्यादा गुस्सा होगा तो बीपी हाई हो जाएगा. और ज़्यादा पिएंगे तो लेवल खराब हो जाएगा. तो हमारे शो का क्रक्स है बेहद. कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं होता, प्यार भी नहीं. तो हमारे शो में इतना प्यार है, इतना प्यार है. दोनों तरफ से मुझे प्यार मिल रहा है. So बेहद तो मेरी जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ होता है.
तो आपकी जिंदगी में कोई है जो ऐसे जैसे अनेरी keeps guiding you every single time, जो भी करते हैं, she comes there, pops up and say, hey, do this. कभी like
मेरी माँ है, मेरी mom always guide me, my dad always guide me. So वो इनका रोल प्ले करते हैं मेरी लाइफ में.
And is there somebody who came saying that, hey Kushal, बेहद प्यार है, I'm gonna love you whatever happens, and I'm gonna.
अब ये इसको सीक्रेट रहने दो यार.
All right, Aneri, you're the nice girl. I mean, it's a very pleasant. Are you in life like that as well?
Yeah, I'm always smiling, and I'm always like this.
इन लोगों में से किसने आपको शो के दौरान किसने सब बेहद worry किया? Maybe played a prank on you, maybe troubled you.
सब मुझे क्यों देख रहे हो?
कुशाल keeps doing that. वो यहाँ से वहाँ कूदता रहता है और अपने stupid jokes crack करता रहता है. अगर हमें हंसी नहीं भी आती है तभी भी हमें हंसना पड़ता है.
Wow, Jennifer, my God, that was like fantastic entry.
Oh my God.
Did you actually get inspired by somebody? मतलब किसी को देखकर कि यार मुझे this is how I'm going to do.
No, you know, that's the thing. When this role was narrated to me, I don't think anybody on TV, especially a female actor, has had such a powerful character. Entry but the character is so powerful that I was like, oh my God, I have to do this, you know. And a lot of the credit goes to this man here who believed in me from the word go. Like, I went to meet him and we'd actually met for something else, but then he said, no, you know, I have something in mind for you. And I'm like, of course. And it's his belief, it's his motivation that really, really encourages me to push the envelope a little bit further, you know. So thank you, Mr. Danish Khan. I owe this one to you. Thank you so much. Mr. Mehta, our producers, they've given me this brilliant opportunity. In my 16 years of career, I have never boxed anybody and my hands are still swollen. We were shooting last night and I had to do a boxing sequence. That was a first time for me in 16 years. So oh gosh, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed to have been given this opportunity where I get to showcase my little talent that I have, and the belief that, you know, all of these guys have in me just encourages me so much Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
You said 16 years?
Yeah, man.
You look 16.
Well, yeah, thank you. That credit goes to my mom.
Okay, I have to tell you, मेरे दिमाग में ये सवाल आ रहा था कि did you have to unlearn something?
I did. You know, it was very difficult. And Amita and all of us, the first scene that we shot, the office scene. So when I was reading, we did it in, a particular way, like how we used to doing it. And then Amita is like, Jen, too much ho gaya. I said, इससे कम क्या करूँ मैं? मतलब, because she speaks through her eyes. She'll just say one line and you have to understand what it is. And if you don't understand, she's going to take your case. So she has to express everything, but use very, very few words. So I had to unlearn a lot. I had to literally, Amita used to tell me, हाथ बांध कर रख अपने, हाथ बांध कर रख, because my hands keep doing this and all of that. So I literally had to unlearn everything that I have done so far. And, he keeps saying that when you're shooting, you're still in your character.
She's unlearned smile also.
I stopped talking to people. So before I start my day, I actually have to go into a zone and just make these walls around me. Like Maya has these walls around her. Nobody can break those walls. When Arjun will break those walls,
break soon.
we'll see. But I really have to go into my zone and just keep everybody out, and then be Maya. It's so challenging, but it is so fun. I've never done something like this, and I really, really hope that people accept it, understand it, and give it behad love.
Whoa, that is incredible. Good, big round of applause. Come on, everybody. Aniri, before we get into the Q&A, आपको ऐसा कभी लगता है कि आपको भी बहुत intense गुस्सा आना चाहिए कभी कुशाल को, कभी महसूस हुआ कि because she's doing all the looks and
Like
giving...
for Arjun or Kushal?
No, both.
Both. नहीं, कुशाल पे गुस्सा नहीं आता और अर्जुन पे भी गुस्सा नहीं आएगा, but I'm sure आगे जाके माया पर बहुत सारा गुस्सा आएगा. And I'm waiting for that phase of the story to come when even Sanj is going to be very serious. You are not going to see that smile on Sanj's face for like a long time. And yeah, when the character is going to shape up and how a cute, sweet girl next door girl is going to turn out to be, is going to become actually a very serious girl. और या बिकॉज वो अर्जुन से बेहद प्यार करती है. अब अर्जुन को कोई लेकर जाएगा तो वो थोड़ी ना हाथ पे हाथ धरे बैठ जाएगी.
So आपको भी गुस्सा आता है?
जी हाँ, बेहद गुस्सा आता है.
मतलब गुस्सा भी इतने प्यार से करिए वो तो सामने वाले बोले और करना यार. Let's do it. All right. Finally, it's a very stylish Arjun. Did you want to do something else which you possibly missed out in these few episodes?
No, this is a very, Arjun is a guy from a middle class, family, और उसकी बेहद बड़ी ख्वाहिशें हैं, जैसे उसको बड़ा घर चाहिए. He's a जुगाड़ू, he's a complete charmer. But कैसे उसकी लाइफ में मिस माया उनकी काया पलट देती हैं और सांझ कैसे करती है. So it's a very intense, spine-thrilling thriller show and बहुत मेहनत से बनाया है. And बहुत टाइम बाद, अरसों बाद टीवी में ऐसा शो आ रहा है. And thanks to Danish bhai, he offered me this role. And I'm sure it's going to be a game changer for Sony and for this sort of concept. ऐसा concept नहीं होता, like it's a finite series and जैसे concept आ रहा है, it's a very different concept. I'm really looking forward to it.
You said जुगाड़ू.
जुगाड़ू मैं बहुत जुगाड़ू मैं मतलब
Actual life में भी हो?
Actual life में जुगाड़ू हूँ. बहुत जुगाड़ू बॉस में.
All right, question for Danish Khan sir. Sir, जैसे आपने expect किया, has it turned out to be like that or much above the expectations?
So this is one show which is very different. We didn't have any other option if Jennifer, Kushal or Aniri would have said no. We just had them in our mind, And for the writers and everybody, they imagined them in that role. So it has come out exactly the way we wanted to come out, but both in terms of acting as well as in terms of technical execution. And as we get into the episodes, you'll see the execution has been fantastic. And the entire team, Rahib, Amita, Cinevista, everybody, they've done a great job. not to say much. I think we'll see it on television very soon.
Absolutely fantastic.
Let's
give a
go
big
here,
round of
boss. Thank you, Mr. Rahib, for a great
Thank you,
entry.
Rahib, sir. Thank you so much.
My entry goes to him only.
My entry goes to him as well.
applause. All right. Okay, now सवाल आप पूछ सकते हैं. If you have a question, please put your hand up. जिन्हें सवाल पूछना है आप अपना सवाल क्रिस्प रखें and सवाल पूछें.
हाँ जी दानिश साहब आप तो छा गए ये जो था हमने आज
आवाज
देखा
कहाँ से?
राइंदर सिंह ये कुछ कितने एपिसोड्स थे फिर अचानक टर्न होता है लास्ट में ऐसा हर एपिसोड में ऐसा होगा या
सर अभी तक मैंने कुछ 12 एपिसोड देखे हैं, हर एपिसोड में टर्न होता है. बट जो क्रिएटिव टीम का कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हर एपिसोड विल बी लाइक दिस. यू नो एवरी एपिसोड विल एंड विद अ हुक.
ओके थैंक यू
जेनिफर आपने इस किरदार को बखूबी निभाया, बहुत अच्छा
Thank you
निभाया.
so much, thank
तो इसके लिए आपने क्या क्या प्रैक्टिस की थी शूटिंग के लिए और कितनी फिल्में देखी थी?
जी ये मैं और जो हमारी शो की क्रिएटिव है अमिता और तभी एक और कोई हमारे साथ था. हम एक दूसरे को फिल्म्स भेजते रहते थे कि ये देख लो या यू नो वॉच दिस एंड गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दिस. सो वो मैं अभी भी करती हूँ बिकॉज ये कैरेक्टर बहुत ही इंटेंस और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैरेक्टर है. बहुत ही थिन लाइन है जो हम क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहते और उसके लिए टू गेट द बॉडी लैंग्वेज राइट, टू गेट the dialogue delivery right and keeping in mind our Indian audiences. वो सब करने के लिए बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी मैंने और अभी भी देखती हूँ. कहीं से भी कुछ मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि ये माया ऐसे बैठना चाहिए या ऐसे हाथ होने चाहिए या कुछ, तो वो मैं ले लेती हूँ और कोशिश करती हूँ अपनी तरीके से उसे करने की.
श्रीदेवी की लाडला देखी थी आपने? अनिल कपूर श्रीदेवी?
उतना इंडियन नहीं जाना है हमको.
नहीं आपका करेक्टर काफ़ी मिलता है उससे.
नहीं, आप आगे जैसे थोड़ा देखते जाएंगे उससे काफ़ी अलग है.
Sir, my marketing team suggested Tuesday because they thought that Monday we won't get a lot of newspaper ad. That's why. It's a very
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a very lazy actress, sir.
Then do one Saraswati Chandra.
Yes.
After that again we had to wait.
Yes.
तरसेंगे आपको देखने के लिए.
How sweet.
So how you have this strategy of getting into the right kind of roles?
I'm just very lazy, sir. I'm very, very lazy. I like to take some time off. No, actually the thing is that, you know, all the roles that I've done till now have, you know, only added feathers to my cap. So I make it a point that whatever I do keeps, you know, that continues to happen. So after Saraswati Chandra, I didn't want to take up something that, you know, I'd been doing for so long. And so I waited. I also needed, like I said, I've been working for 16 years. I need a break. So I took a break.
And when you got this offer,
Yeah.
did you readily accept it or you had some?
Oh no, I remember the meeting that we had in Mr. Mehta's office. We finished the meeting, me and my manager Rajiv came down and we were outside the car, we were talking outside the car and I'm like, Rajiv, I have to do this. I do care about the money, but I don't care about the money. I have to do this. I have to do this. So it was yes from the beginning.
Any workshop you did to get into the role?
We were planning to do a workshop, but unfortunately, we didn't have the time to do that. But yes, I did see a lot of movies and I did see a lot of international TV shows. And like I said, I still keep seeing things. And if something catches my eye that would look good on Maya, I try to adapt it in my way.
Thank you.
Thank you. What viewers can expect, see, like you saw, there is drama in the show, there is thriller, there is suspense, there's romance, there's love. So it's a complete package of entertainment. And I think this is what, if you see TV today, we have a lot of kitchen politics everywhere, you know, and that's what's been going on. I was a part of it for a very, very long time. So this is something that your regular audience have not seen on TV yet, not on Indian TV. And the kind of, because of the internet and everything, there's a lot of exposure. People watch international shows, so they know that, there is a show about politics, there's a show about whatever. I think this will put Indian television on a different level. And that is what we hope to do. That is what we really, really hope that, people accept the show, because it's not your regular show. It's like Mr. Danish Khan said, it's very urban. It's very today. It's very in trend. So I hope that it changes Indian TV today, and we get to see more genres of television, right? Maybe after a few years, maybe we'll get into politics or something on TV, I'm saying, not in real life. But so I really, really want this show to be the game changer for Indian television. Yeah.
सुनील जी, जेनिफर ने तो कहा कि वो लेजी इसलिए कम सीरियल्स करती है। सिनेविस्टा क्यों कम सीरियल प्रोड्यूस करने लगा? नहीं तो एक जमाने में तो आप तो लाइन से आते थे और अभी जरा एक गैप हो गया हुआ है। Any reasons?
Well, it's been some time since we have come on the air, and I'm extremely glad that we are coming up with a product like Behad. So it's worth the wait for the viewers, and this is one show that will set a milestone amongst television viewing, amongst the GEC channels, we hope. And as Jennifer has, absolutely correctly said, this is a game changer, and she is absolutely wonderful. So is everybody connected with this cast and the team and the creative team. So maybe the wait has been worth for Cinevista and for the viewers. Thank you.
वो कहते हैं ना, देर आयद दुरुस्त आयद, तो समझ लीजिए अब आ गए हम।
हाँ जी। जी। मुझ पर हावी कौन सा रूप होता है? मैं दोनों में से कोई नहीं। मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ से डरती हूँ, वो है बिल्ली। अगर अभी आप मेरे सामने बिल्ली ले आए तो मैं यहाँ से भाग जाऊँगी। तो ऐसा डर मुझे सिर्फ बिल्ली से लगता है। और मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं बहुत मूडी हूँ। तो माया में और मेरे में बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस हैं और बहुत सारी सिमिलैरिटीज़ भी है। बट वो मेरे ख्याल से हर इंसान में है। हर इंसान में अच्छी और बुरी क्वालिटीज़ होती है। तो वैसे ही है।
निशा वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल जर्नी, पर निशा जब ख़त्म हुआ उसके बाद लोगों को लगा कि मैं सिर्फ एक टॉम बॉयश ही का किरदार निभा सकती हूँ. सो आई हैड टू ब्रेक माई टॉम बॉयश इमेज. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव लव्ड निशा एंड सांज इज समबडी. निशा के लिए मुझे बहुत कुछ करना पड़ा था. राहिब सर वाज माई डायरेक्टर इन देन. So we have had like a lot of workshops for Nisha, but for Sanj, I had to be myself. और सांझ के लिए भी आई थिंक for like a month I had to like unwind myself. I had to just behave as if I am the Neri that was a year back, because वो निशा बहुत पूरी तरह से घुस चुका था मेरे अंदर. But yeah, I'm glad कि I'm playing Sanj. Sanj is totally different from what Nisha was. She's very cute, very bubbly, girl next door. उसे लड़के पसंद है, लड़कों से प्यार भी करती है वो. So yeah, निशा को लड़के नहीं पसंद थे. Not that she was into girls, but yeah, she was scared of guys. But Sanj absolutely loves Arjun, and I am really happy कि मुझे कुछ different play करने का मौका मिल रहा है. And जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि सांझ में बहुत सारी layers है, so you all should wait for that to happen. Thank you.
So the objective, as you see, and this just we have started unrolling the show. But in next 6 months, we will launch another 3 to 4 shows. So every half an hour will be slightly different. And 9:30 onwards, 9 o'clock onwards, 9:30, 10, you will see a slightly more urban dramas. 7:30, 8, you will see slightly more drama which is much more based out of joint family. So from a strategic point of view, this works very well at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is the biggest show. And if you have Kushal, Jennifer and Anari, you better put it at 9. You know?
All right, we'll have one final question. Yes, sir.
जेनिफर ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आज के दौर में जो टेलीविजन स्टार्स को फेम मिलता है, जो कॉम्पनसेशन मिलता है, वो आपके समझ से जो बॉलीवुड स्टार्स होते हैं उनसे कोई खास ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होता है, तो वो जो डिज़ायर होता है बड़े पर्दे पे काम करने का, वो कुछ हद तक कम हुआ है क्योंकि टेलीविज़न वो चीज़ ऑफर कर रहा है आज के ज़माने में?
देखिए, मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, मुझे एक्टिंग करना अच्छा लगता है, भले वो फिल्मों में हो, भले वो टीवी पर हो, भले वो थिएटर में हो, भले वो एड्स में हो। मुझे अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगती है, मुझे अच्छा काम अच्छा लगता है, उसका मीडियम कोई भी हो उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। मुझे पहले से ही कभी ये नहीं था कि oh my god, I want to become a movie actor. I always loved acting, and whatever the medium may be, I'm happy with that.
Alright, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारी टीम के लिए. Absolutely fantastic. Can we have the rest of the cast on the stage, please? हम बाकी जो कास्ट है हमारी बेहद की, हम चाहते हैं कि वो भी स्टेज पर आ जाए for a photo opportunity. एंड देखना भूलिएगा मत दोस्तों, 11 अक्टूबर से 9 PM पर बेहद ओनली ऑन सोनी एंटरटेनमेंट टेलीविजन.